AI Weekly Newsletter, Week 46. After today, AI headlines will finally start making sense. Your 5-minute AI upgrade. One story. One useful insight. Every week. Let me guess how you consume AI news. NVIDIA reports record revenue. OpenAI launches a new model. Google upgrades Gemini. Anthropic releases another Claude. And someone on LinkedIn immediately declares, "This changes everything." Again. You read the headline. You nod seriously. Maybe you even like the post. But somewhere inside, a small voice asks, "Okay, but what exactly changed? Was it a better chip? A smarter model? A new platform? Or the same chatbot with one more shiny button?" Honestly, you are not the problem. AI news feels confusing because every headline talks about a different part of the industry, but rarely explains where it fits. It is like entering a restaurant and hearing people debate ovens, recipes, billing software and butter chicken as though they are all the same thing. They are connected, but they are definitely not the same thing. Most of the AI industry can be understood through 4 layers. Once you see them, the noise becomes a map. Let us start with NVIDIA. NVIDIA does not primarily sell the meal. It sells the ovens. Its chips power much of modern AI. That is why companies and governments care so much about AI compute. Everyone wants enough ovens to keep their AI kitchen running. That explains a surprising number of AI headlines. But hardware is only the first layer. Imagine the AI industry as a world-class restaurant. A restaurant needs 4 things: kitchen equipment, recipes, a management system, and dishes served to customers. Layer 1. Hardware. This is the kitchen equipment. In AI, that means GPUs, specialized chips, data centers, memory, networking and cooling systems. NVIDIA dominates much of this conversation. Google has its TPUs. Amazon, Microsoft and others are developing their own chips too. Because depending completely on somebody else's ovens feels risky when your restaurant plans to serve the entire planet. Whenever you see a headline about NVIDIA, new chips, data centers or GPU shortages, you are looking at layer 1. Why does it matter? Because without hardware, nothing else runs. The smartest AI model in the world is only an expensive collection of numbers until hardware gives it the power to work. Layer 2. Foundation models. These are the recipes. They are created using enormous datasets, specialized talent, years of research and enough computing power to make your electricity bill look adorable. This layer includes GPT, Gemini, Claude, LLaMA, Mistral and Qwen. These models are the AI brains. They can generate language, code, images, audio and video, use tools and complete longer tasks. When OpenAI launches a new GPT model, Google upgrades Gemini or Anthropic releases a new Claude, that is layer 2. A new recipe has entered the kitchen. It may reason better, code faster or understand more context. Or it may score 3% higher on a benchmark nobody had heard of until launch day. Benchmarks matter. But sometimes AI announcements feel like 2 chefs arguing over whose biryani scored 92.7 in an international rice evaluation. Meanwhile, the customer only wants to know, does it taste good? And how much does it cost? Model quality matters, but it is not the complete story. A brilliant recipe can still create a terrible experience when the service is slow or the menu is confusing. Layer 3. Platforms and APIs. This is the restaurant management system. It connects the recipes with developers and businesses trying to serve them at scale. This layer includes APIs, cloud platforms, security controls and data integrations. Examples include the OpenAI API, Google Vertex AI, Microsoft Azure AI, Amazon Bedrock and Hugging Face. Whenever a company says, "We are building on OpenAI," or "We deployed Claude through Bedrock," it is talking about layer 3. This is where serious business decisions happen. Which model should we use? What will it cost? Where will our data go? Can we switch later? And, of course, has the legal team approved this? Layer 3 rarely produces the most exciting headlines. But this is where an impressive demo either becomes a reliable business system or quietly disappears after the pilot. Layer 4. Applications. These are the dishes served to you. This is the layer most people actually see. ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, GitHub Copilot, Gemini, Perplexity, Grammarly, Cursor, and the AI assistant that suddenly appeared inside your company's software without anyone remembering who requested it. These applications take the first 3 layers and turn them into a specific user experience. When ChatGPT gains a new capability, Copilot creates a presentation or Cursor runs coding agents, you are looking at layer 4. A new dish has reached the customer. This is where AI meets a real person with a real deadline and only 6% laptop battery remaining. This layer decides whether AI feels magical or irritating. The smartest model is useless if the application is slow, confusing or keeps asking you to confirm the same thing. You can create a Michelin star recipe. But if the waiter takes 40 minutes and forgets the spoon, the customer will remember the missing spoon. Now use the map. NVIDIA revenue, layer 1. A new GPT, Gemini or Claude model. Layer 2. A cloud platform adding more models. Layer 3. A new Copilot or ChatGPT feature. Layer 4. The headlines did not become simpler. Your mental map became better. That is the real upgrade. Where is the value moving? A few years ago, most attention was concentrated on Layer 2. Who had the smartest model? Who topped the benchmarks? Model quality still matters enormously. But several leading models are now highly capable for everyday writing, research, coding and analysis. So the competition is expanding upward. The question is no longer only, who has the best model? It is increasingly, who can turn that model into the most useful and reliable workflow? That is why companies are integrating AI into search, email, documents, coding tools and workplace software. The model provides intelligence. The application decides whether that intelligence actually improves your day. This does not mean all models are identical. Important differences remain in reasoning, reliability, speed, cost and tool use. But the best recipe alone does not guarantee the best restaurant. The insight. The AI industry has 4 major layers: hardware, foundation models, platforms, applications. Once you understand the stack, every headline becomes easier to read. Instead of reacting as though aliens have landed, you ask, which layer changed? Is it genuinely new? Does it improve the intelligence? Does it make AI easier to build with? Or is it simply another feature I may never use? That is the difference between following AI news and understanding it. Try this week. The next time you see an AI headline, pause for 5 seconds. Do not immediately surrender to words such as revolutionary, game-changing, or the future of work. Those words are already doing unpaid overtime in the AI industry. Identify the layer: hardware, model, platform, application. Then ask, does this change what I can actually do today? Try it with 3 headlines this week. You may be surprised by how quickly AI news stops feeling overwhelming. Instead of standing outside the kitchen wondering why everyone is shouting, you will finally understand what is cooking. AI myth of the week. Myth: the company with the best AI model will automatically win. Reality: a strong model creates an advantage, but it does not guarantee a winning product. The winners will also need reliable platforms, useful workflows, sensible pricing and an experience people enjoy using. The best recipe matters, but it still needs a functioning restaurant, good service and a dish customers want to order twice. You now have a mental map of the AI industry that many people never clearly build. Use it well. And the next time somebody says, this AI launch changes everything, smile, take a breath, and ask, interesting, which layer?